G'day, my name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 16th of the 9th, 2015, and it's 21 to 10 in the morning. I hope you like this video, and if so, please subscribe. Now I'm just about to go down to the lake and do my video there. Just want to try to capture a nice shot of this bird feeding. That's zoomed in halfway. It's not focusing on what I want it to do. Oh well, what? Just under halfway. Oh well. We'll let this bird have its tucker, because I've got other videos to make as well. Looks like it might be night. Could be a good day, but it was sunny, but now clouds are a little bit here. Huh. There we go, I got Mr. Cheeky. Guess I was about to spin around to have a quick look at the view. Got this little one here. Scared the other one away. I thought I should leave it on there, but I didn't think about it. So even though this is a smaller bird, oh, he's gone out to have the bird feed, I think. Checking that out. Okay, he can't make up his mind which way he wants to go. So what I'm going to do is this one's coming back to here. I wonder if the other small one will come and scare it away again. Yeah, here he is, he's in the trees there. He's going to come down now. I wonder, oh, he backed away. Yeah, he's got that one, but watch this, he's eyeing off the other one over here now. This one here's found another bird feeder. Now, here he goes. Looks like he's going to stop. No. Well, he seems to be happy anyway. Oh, well, looks like we'll let them have their tucker. Zoom into this one if we can get another shot. Oh no, he's going to take off here. He's going to fly off. Oh. What's he looking at? I knew it. I was having a quick zoom in, but oh well. Going to do a quick pan. This little section in the backyard, technically it's council land, or the foreshore committee, I don't know who they call this part. Yeah, he flew there and scattered away and then flew off again himself. It's like, okay, what's the point of trying to earn a little bit of tucker in that there? I think they need to widen the pathway of trees, thin it out a bit more, or widen it, or widen this pathway out between the houses and the lake. Now we decide to come back. Let's see if he'll go have something to eat. It's a beautiful animal. A little bit touchy, but beautiful. A little bit over aggressive. But nevertheless a beautiful animal. Oh well, I'm going to have to head off anyway. Gotta go do that video of the lake and of the ocean, and I might go for a drive, do one with driving as well. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.